Hello, welcome back to Bimmer PhD. My name is Tim, the shop foreman, working on your BMW. And I wanted to go over what I'm experiencing while I'm driving the car. From what I understand, the concern is that there is it states rubbing noise, but what I'm hearing is more like a howling or a whining noise. So first, I wanted to touch base on that and then show you what I'm experiencing while I'm driving. So I'm currently in hybrid mode, and at about 30 miles an hour, and when I let off, I do hear a howling or whining noise occurring from what sounds to be back there on the rear end, and I'll show again. I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but it only happens when I decelerate. Now I'm going to go ahead and accelerate, and the noise went away. Mild deceleration. I start hearing unusual chatter and then a whine. And I also noticed that decelerating off the freeway from a higher speed, it's also louder here. Let's be quiet. This is coming to a full stop here. We'll pause while the light is red. While we're paused, I wanted to show you a cool feature I don't know if you know about. The auto hold. So you put the auto hold on. Notice my feet are not on the pedal until when I accelerate. Now the car moves. So I'm at 30. I don't hear any noises. Accelerate to 40. Right there on deceleration, I do hear a noise. So what we're going to try to do at the next light, which is perfect, it turned green, is we're going to put it in manual mode and see if we can't replicate this in manual mode as well, ruling out the transmission. So if you don't know that pulling this stick towards you just puts us in sport mode. As you can see, we've got sport 4, tells us also the gear, and we're about 30 miles an hour. No noise. Very mild and less in sport mode. So just a quick update while we're stopped. I wanted to give you some information as to the sport features of this car. You may or may not know, but if you put the shifter, notice as I went back to drive, I went back into hybrid mode and the engine shut off. So now we're working on electric power. So now as I accelerate, we'll run on electric. Then the engine just kicked on at 13 miles per hour. So what this does is it allows you to have a little bit sport features in the transmission. Not a little bit, some sport features in the transmission. And as you noticed, the RPMs changed a little bit, and now it says S3. There was a little bit of a noise. I'm not sure if that was normal or not. We'll have to compare it to another hybrid G20. I don't know if you're hearing what I'm hearing, but I'm accelerating and then letting off. So if you noticed here, the RPM changed and the sound also changed. And if this is the noise you're concerned about, it seems like it's only happening in hybrid mode. So we're going to go ahead and head back to the shop, do our visual inspection, remove the panels, go through the car. I'll create another video to show you what I see during that time. And then also we're going to go ahead and do a full scan of the control modules so that we can see if there are any relevant fault codes that are stored. We'll test the 12-volt battery system as well as the charging system and see if we can get any information from the hybrid battery. So thanks for watching. See you soon.